Hello, 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 everyone. This is Angela of Earrings by Angela and Earrings by Angela J School. I am here to give you your jewelry tip this Tuesday. So, what we are talking about is giving those beads a fashion show. So, in the beginning, I'll just tell you this real quick. In the beginning, um, I was stuck on a certain type of component. Um, Certain type of findings, and definitely a certain type of metal, which back then it was silver. It has changed now, you guys, because you have to evolve in your creation, right? So today I want to challenge you to give the beads that you have in your collection the greatest ever fashion show. So you know that when people prepare for fashion shows, it means that you're going through a lot of style changes. You're putting on sexy dresses, playing with color, playing with mixed textures, and all those wonderful things. Why should your beads be any different? Bring some more excitement into your creations, you guys. Let's not get complacent. Complacency is boring. Let's explore and let's take a risk and really allow ourselves to play. That's what I encourage all of my students to do. And guess what, babe? You're no different because I love you. I'm sharing this with you. So, the first thing you want to do, say that if you were like me or are like me and you are stuck on using silver in all of your creations, your customers have gotten used to it, you've gotten used to it, and now it's almost just robotic, right? Yeah, you can continue to create with silver, especially if that's your signature. But did you know that mixed metals are in? So you want to definitely step outside of your comfort zone, even if it's just for yourself, and try that favorite bead or favorite style of bead with a different metal. So let's do a wardrobe change, you guys. Take off the silver, put on the gold. Hey, you need a darker side? Bring out the gunmetal wire. You guys, and components. Oh my gosh, what just happened? Did your bead just pop? Like, did it bring new life to whatever you were using before and now you just did a wardrobe change and now you realize, dude, like when you're with your girlfriends or guy friends, I just did a wardrobe change. I have an attitude change. You know what? I'm ready to go to the club because I got to show this off. That's what your beads should feel like. Again, yeah, I speak about the beads as if they are people because that's how I connect. Cool, roll with it, rock with it, do what you got to do. Um, so let's try that today. That is your challenge for the day, for the week. You guys, you know what? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Here's an idea. Why don't you, all of the brave ones who are having a fashion show with me, um, post your pictures in the comments. Can you do that? Or can you like tell us what you did in the comments. Like, oh, Angela, I tried that and yeah, it really made my beads pop. Or, oh my gosh, Angela, I love how you personify that. Whatever, whatever. Let's connect. Let's talk. Let's have a conversation. I'm a very talkative person. My son will tell you that. That's why he hates going to the store with me. He said, Mom, you talk to everybody. I love people. Sue me. Don't sue me. Don't sue me. So, okay, so we did that. We changed the wire. Now you're like, oh, this is freaking awesome! And I cannot sing, so that's about as much opera as you get from me. So now the step two is whoa, whoa. Are we about to live on the wild side? You have changed from silver to gunmetal because we're gonna go with gunmetal. If you don't know what gunmetal is, it's like that grayish, that dark gray, smoky. Ooh, smoky. Why did I think of cheese, you guys? Um, need some Gouda. Um, but it's that gray, smoky colored wire. Okay, and it's dark. It's gonna bring those other colors out. So that's what we're playing with right now. So you have that, and you're making this bracelet or necklace, and you've totally wrapped um or strung, whichever level you are on, basic wire, wire wrap, whatever it is. You totally have that going on. And so now your components, can I talk, anybody? And this would be great for earrings as well. Your components, what are you doing with those? Are you using the regular lobster clasp, or are you going to venture out into a toggle clasp? Oh my gosh, how did that just bust your whole creation up? Try it. Try it. And if you are in my wire wrap 1 class or 2, you if I haven't taught this to you already, you will be learning how to make your own clasps. What? Shut the front door, somebody? No, open it. No, close it. Whatever is happening. And you've learned it, or you're in the process of learning it as we speak. Let's pause for a moment, people. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I teach jewelry classes, basic, wire 1, wire 2, wire 3. If you want to know more about that, click the link in the description box. There is a members club, you guys. A members club just for you to meet me and other people. We have a members Facebook group, members only events, discounts on classes. I mean, you really want to be part of this. I'm giving you business tips that I don't put on YouTube or anywhere else. It is just for you. So if you want to be a part of that, totally click the link in the box and find out how you can become a member today. The enrollment starts now for the introductory price. Also, classes start September 1st. So we may have already started already by the time you watch this video, but guess what? You can still join. I would love to meet you. Let's continue with our tip on this Tuesday. So we have changed the wire to gunmetal. I'm recapping, you guys. We changed the wire to gunmetal. We have tried a different clasp to close it with, and if you're making these into earrings, let's not focus on the clasp. Let's talk about the hooks. What if, what if you are only using fish ear wires, fish hook ear wires? What would happen, yo, if you would change them to kidney wires? What? Well, that just totally changed the look of your thing. You see how we're progressing, but this fashion show, I'm telling you, it just keeps getting sexier and sexier and sexier. And if you know me, I love to say groovy, sexy, and delicious. Don't take offense, just roll with it. You'll be saying it too. Okay, so now that we have done that, we've changed the wire, we've changed the toggle or the ear hooks. The last challenge that we're going to do to ignite fire in this fashion show, you guys. Because this is the ending. This is like before you present yourself on stage and everyone gives you a standing ovation type thing. Whoa! Design those sexy dresses. Oh, snap. Angela, what are you talking about? It's a certain way that you are wrapping that bead. Now, if you are not into wire wrapping, get into it because it makes your beads so much sexier. I promise you. Like the first reaction from one of my students was, "Whoa, this looks nice." And that's what you want the crowd to think. That's where you get your standing ovation. How sexy are you going to wrap the body of that bead is up to you. But you're going to try something different, and you're going to try it in different ways. And if you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, that means you need to sign up for my Wire Wrap 1 class, because that is where we begin, and that is inside that members club that I was telling you about. So I'm going to leave you to create. I would love, love, love to connect with you. So subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss all these wonderful tips Does it happen every Tuesday? No, but will it happen at least twice a month, baby? I got you. Hit that notification bell too, because you definitely don't want to miss out and be left behind. Because, dude, so totally, what if you find the video later, like next year, and you be like, dang, how did I miss that? Because I didn't ring that bell. That's what had happened was, right? So until next time, keep creating. And as I say on my Facebook and in my Instagram, keep high vibing, y'all. Because when you high vibe, guess what? You're open to more ideas and more creativity. Until next time, boo, I'll talk to you later.